Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. So let's get started. As you can see guys, I have a folder right into my desktop which name is study material, and I want to password protect this folder. So how we can do that is very simple. Just open up the file, then right click on your mouse to create a new text document. Just create it right away. Then open the text document and paste a code that I have given into my video's comment section. Just copy the code from there and paste it right over here like this. Alright, after that you need to set your password. So for selecting your password, you will see this text. Alright, from your code you need to select this text and set a password. Like I am setting my password to 12345678990 like this. All right, just make sure your password is right or wrong. Just select this password and then go to the file and click on the save as, and then just rename as like password.bat. So rename as exact like this. After that, click on the save and then cross this option, and now you need to delete this text document. Just delete that. All right, then what you need to do, you need to double tap to open this bat file and it will create a folder. Okay, so from now you need to select all your folders or files that you want to log in to this folder. So we will be selecting all of that and cut, then paste it right into the folder. Then again click on the password section, and are you sure to log this folder? You will need to type Y and then hit enter. And now as you can see guys, we have successfully logged the folder like this. And if we want the folder back into our PC, what we can do is very simple. Again, just double tap on this and then you need to type in your password to unlock the folder. Like I have a password of this like this and hit enter. And then as you can see, we have got our folder back. So this is how you can lock folder in Windows 11. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and have a great day.